Understanding dual-band Wi-Fi. Enhance your connectivity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term dual-band Wi-Fi. This concept is not just useful in technology, but also a great way to expand your English vocabulary in the tech field. Let's dive in and understand what dual-band Wi-Fi really means. Before we delve into dual-band Wi-Fi, let's understand what Wi-Fi is. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows electronic devices to connect to a wireless LAN, local area network, usually using the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz radio bands. It's a key concept in understanding how our devices, like smartphones and laptops, connect to the internet wirelessly. In the world of Wi-Fi, there are mainly two types, single-band and dual-band. Single-band Wi-Fi operates on only one radio band, typically the 2.4 GHz band. It's widely used but can be prone to interference and slower speeds. On the other hand, dual-band Wi-Fi can operate on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, offering a choice based on your needs. Why choose dual-band Wi-Fi? It offers several advantages. 1. Less interference. The 5 GHz band is less crowded compared to 2.4 GHz, meaning less interference from other devices. 2. Faster speeds. The 5 GHz band offers higher speeds, which is great for high-bandwidth activities like streaming HD videos or online gaming. 3. Flexibility. With dual-band, you have the flexibility to switch between bands depending on the range and speed requirements. Using dual-band Wi-Fi is straightforward. Most modern routers offer dual-band functionality. Here's how you can use it. 1. Check your router. Ensure your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi. 2. Device compatibility. Make sure your device, smartphone, laptop, etc., also supports dual-band. 3. Connect to the network. You might see two Wi-Fi networks, one for each band. Choose the 5 GHz network for faster speeds if you're close to the router, or the 2.4 GHz for better range. I hope this video has helped you understand dual-band Wi-Fi and its benefits. Remember, knowing such terms not only helps in everyday technology use but also enhances your English vocabulary, especially in the tech domain. Stay connected and keep learning.